Today we're gonna learn how to make macaroni and cheese. So first we need cheese, we need the macaroni, and we need boiling water. Okay, I drained the water out and it's cooked. So we get to put the cheese in. Oh, I forgot the butter. So let's put this carefully because you don't want it to spill all over the place. So let's cover it. So mix it time. That's done. We just check. I got every single one covered. The food is done, everybody. And now I'm gonna taste it so I can make sure the food is good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's good, everybody.
Yeah, laughing.
Follow us on Yasmine's amazing channels and hit the subscribe button down. I'll see you later.